Today, we're discussing DOT accident procedures. Accidents can happen to anyone, even the most experienced drivers. Knowing what to do when they occur is essential for ensuring safety and compliance. First things first, stay calm. Safety is your top priority. Check if anyone is injured and call emergency services if needed. Protect the accident scene to prevent further incidents. Set up reflective triangles or flares to warn other drivers. Next, report the accident to the police. They'll need to document the scene, which is critical for insurance and regulatory purposes. Remember, accurate information is vital. So, when speaking with officers, ensure the details you provide are clear and precise. Now, let's talk about documentation. Take photos of the accident scene, vehicle damage, and any relevant road signs or signals. Gather contact information from witnesses, if any, and exchange details with the other driver involved. This documentation is not only important for insurance claims, but also for complying with DOT regulations. Speaking of DOT regulations, it's crucial to report the accident to the Department of Transportation. The DOT has specific requirements for accident reporting, which can often be complex and time-consuming. This is where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. Our team can help you navigate these requirements smoothly, ensuring you remain compliant and avoid potential penalties. Remember to inform your motor carrier or employer about the accident as soon as possible. They'll guide you through the next steps and help with any necessary paperwork. Lastly, keep track of all the documentation related to the accident. This includes police reports, insurance claims, and any correspondence with your employer or the DOT. Having all your paperwork organized can save you a lot of headaches down the road. This video is brought to you by FMCSA Registration.com, the top online service provider for the transportation industry. We assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 for more information. That's all for today's video. Stay safe out there on the roads, and remember, being prepared can make all the difference in an accident situation. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching.